Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to make Rulan Toffee. We need 500 grams of roasted Rulan, 250 grams of sugar and 190 ml of milk made and 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 tablespoon aspara and 150 ml of water. And we must butter a dish like this and heat. We'll see how to make that now. First, we add the milk maid to the pan. And add the water to this. Add the water to the pan and add the sugar also. We need little coloring also, food coloring. We'll keep in the fire. Here I am adding little coloring and stir it till it comes to the correct point. Stir like this. Keep the medium fire and stir like that. And till it come to the correct consistency. Here now bubbles coming like this. We have to stir like this another few minutes. I will show the correct consistency. At this time you can add vanilla essence and butter also. Another few minutes we have to wait. Stir like this. Another few minutes we have to stir like this. This is the consistency. Here we can add the Rulan to now. We'll add the Rulan at once and stir it well. We mix well this soon as possible. And now okay. Now put this one into tray. Put this one into the pour this one into the tray. Okay. Like this, pour into our buttered dish. Like this, flat from a palette or something. I am taking a aluminium foil and flattening this one. Another little later. Now this is very hot now. Another 5-15 minutes you must put squares and keep to cool. Here I put squares after 15 minutes. We'll keep for 1 hour to let it to be cool. After that we'll see. Here's my Rulan Toffee. You also make and taste and see. Thank you for watching.